crazy views.
Check it out.
Yeah. Have the one snapper here, I'm going to start out here now. One coconut milk. Then you have some I put some baking paper inside this so we don't get no sticky nothing. And then everything I go in that pot here right now. And go and cook a little bit. So that inside the pot right now some onion, some sweet pepper, some garlic. Now I add a coconut milk to it. So onion, sweet pepper, garlic, thyme, some ginger, and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna just add a coconut milk to it. I'm gonna just add a coconut milk to it. So I'm gonna put the sweet corn and the baby potato inside and make it cook. Then I'm going to put everything inside this with the fish and push it in the oven. I'll get into it now. This now I just leave it on a low setting and make it cook properly. Now I'm gonna rush cook this. Okay, everything get a bit soft and then add it to the fish. The fish already seasoned up already and ready to go. So we're gonna cook this a little and then we come back and sort out this. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is get some baking paper inside this baking tray because I don't want the fish to stick. Don't want it to be sticking to this thing when I put it inside. Uh-oh. I'm using baking paper. And then I'm going to cover it with some file paper. I'm just gonna trim some of the paper because it's just very annoying when it's like this. Just use a scissors and just trim some quickly. So it can sit more flush inside the tray. Just trimming off the excess paper. You know, baking paper is a bit annoying, like try to bend and stuff inside. awkward places. So that's it there. We get it inside. Get it inside the tray how I want it. Now with the file paper, let me roll it out from now. Just to cover this. Just enough to cover this. I think that's enough. This scissors again. I think that's enough, so I'm going to cut it from here. So alright, so that's enough. So that's ready to go now. This is what we're working with. Well seasoned up and nice. I already prepared the tray. So next thing is to do is to lay the fish inside and then just throw everything over it. I lay it inside and then put the sweet corn and the potato next to it and then pour the sauce over it and then just put it inside the oven. The oven already a preheat, so as soon as everything go inside it ready. Alright, so just put some butter inside the tray. So now put the fish inside. We have no sticking. So we put the fish, we have absolutely no sticking. Still, I know it, I give the fish some flavor again. And I would like to say a big thank you to everyone that's watching the videos. It would be nice if everybody that watch the video get a like though. Not forcing anyone, but you know, just get a little like and share the video so the community can get bigger. You know? I'm not asking for much, not asking anyone for anything, just all I'm doing is just sharing my day-to-day lifestyle, experience, stuff like that with people. Because I know sometimes there's people out there who share similar ideas, would like to do similar stuff, but some of them don't have the courage, so you know, yeah man, just give video a little like up, not asking for much, just a little like, and if you don't subscribe, just subscribe. Thank you very much in advance. So let me put this fish inside this thing now. That's why I'm fit perfectly. It fit perfectly across like that. It's quite big. It's a big snapper. This snapper was 20 pounds for this one. There was 2 of them, so you know 40 pounds for 2 snappers. So you know they're quite big. That inside is ginger. Some grated ginger. I'm about to put some garlic as well. And as you can see inside the slits, I put some ginger and thyme. Try it this way, it's very flavorful. I think that thing already finished cooking, so right now some garlic, not much, just a little bit of garlic to rub inside the fish with the ginger. I will put a little bit of thyme as well. A little thyme. I don't really use the sticks of the garlic, I just use, of the thyme. I'm just using the leaf bit. As I said before, I like to put thyme inside these little cutout that I make on the fish. Get some nice flavor. Let's put some thyme inside these cuts. Turn it back over. So this thing fixed properly. I want everything to stay on the paper when I pour it inside. So what I'm going to do now is get this stuff from this and just put them to the side. Like the sweet corn, the other stuff, maybe I just throw it all over. I'll just take my time and just get them here inside. There's no okra or nothing like that because it's not just me alone eating this, and not everybody eat okra, so I'm just doing it out normal, like, you know. Just say not everybody eat okra. Rest now. Just throw all over the fish. When you eat this now, it's like you just have a normal meal, you know? Yeah. Some fish, potato and sweet corn. And as I said, the fish this season up already a long time. So now I'm gonna close up the fire on top of this. Inside the oven. And then we do the finishing, which is eating. Right. The oven is already hot. What I'm about to do right now is to pour some water inside this tray because I want the fish to kind of steam cook. I don't want it to just go in there and just burn up and dry out. So I put some water inside that tray, and then I put this tray on top. Yeah, I put that tray on top, and then I just put it inside the oven. And that will allow the fish not to dry out. When you put the water inside there, it will come out nice with that steamy, yeah, it's cooked with that steaminess. Oven ready and set. Alright, my people, let's see what's going on down here. So now the water already dry from the tray that I put inside. So I guess the fish is ready, because that's all normally I time it. Once the amount of water dry, I know the fish is ready. So let's see what's going on. Let's do this together, man. With family here, man. Let's see what's going on here, man. Alright. Adjust down. And let's see what's going on. Alright. See that, guys? Oh my days. I can't wait to tuck into. Oh my days. Look at this. See that? Steamy and nice. Loads of sauce. You can use to eat your potato and your sweet corn and stuff like that. Oh gosh, man. This never have to be so nice. Oh gosh. And with this now, we're not gonna remove it. I'm not gonna remove it from the baking tray. I'm just gonna leave it just like this, and this is how I'm gonna eat it from the tray. With the potato and the sweet corn. Oh gosh. Oh guys, oh my days, I wish everyone that's watching this video will get a taste from this. This is so lovely. Right, this is really lovely. Oh my days. Right now I'm here tasting while I'm videoing. Let me just taste this potato. Oh, this is lovely. Oh. Yeah, this is lovely. Look on this. Look at this. Look at that. Nothing more you want than this. This thing is so hot though, so be careful. It's too nice. Oh gosh, it's never have to be so nice.
Hold on.
Look at that. Oh my days.
You can get me a plate to put the bone.
Oh, why was it split? So that means only you can see it. Huh? So when you look at the phone.
Got that. Look at that.